Here we will write a program to explain unary operator overloading. So first in comment line we will write unary operators are positive, negative and absolute. So first we will define class unary operator and we will define constructor with self and value, and we will assign this constructor variable to local variable as self.value equal to value. Then first we will define unary operator negative with magic method as def neg with self, and we will return minus unary operator which is a class name with self. Then we will define magic method for positive, so def pos with self, we will return unary operator with self.value. Here also we will give self.value, and then we will define method for absolute, so abs with self, and here we will return unary operator with function absolute self.value. Then we will create object for this unary operator as num equal to unary operator, and I will pass minus 5 as a value. First we will execute negative unary operator as neg num equal to minus num, and we will print value with negation operator, we will print negative num. Then we will execute positive unary operator as positive num equal to plus num, and we will print value with positive operator as positive num, and then we will call absolute operator as abs num equal to abs num, and we will print absolute value with operator as abs num. Here we will add string method which will return self.value in string, and we execute this. It will display value with negation operator is 5, value with positive operator is minus 5, and absolute value is also 5. Since we have passed minus 5 with negation operator, it will convert minus 5 to plus 5. So with negation operator it will print 5.